Describe the consumption-based model. So when comparing IT infrastructure models, there are two types of expenses to consider: capital expenditure, CapEx, and operational expenditure, OpEx. CapEx is typically a one-time, upfront expenditure to purchase or secure tangible resources. A new building, repaving the parking lot, building a data center, or buying a company vehicle are examples of CapEx. In contrast, OpEx is spending money on services or products over time, renting a convention center, leasing a company vehicle, or signing up for cloud services that are examples of OpEx. Cloud compute falls under OpEx because cloud computing operates on a consumption-based model. With cloud computing, you don't pay for the physical infrastructure, the electricity, the security, or anything else associated with maintaining the data center. Instead, you pay for the IT resources you use. If you don't use any IT resources this month, you don't pay for any IT resources. This consumption-based model has many benefits, including no upfront cost, no need to purchase and manage cost infrastructure that users might not use to its fullest potential, the ability to pay for more resources when they are needed, the ability to stop paying for resources that are no longer needed. With traditional data center, you try to estimate the future resource needs. If you overestimate, you spend more on your data center than you need and potentially waste money. If you underestimate your data center, will quickly reach capacity and your application and services may suffer from decreased performance. Fixing an under-provisioned data center can take a long time. You may need to order, receive, and install more hardware. You will also need to add more power, cooling, and networking for extra hardware. But in the contrast, in cloud-based model, you don't have to worry about getting resource needs just right. If you find that you need more virtual machines, you just add more. If the demand drops and you don't need as many virtual machines, you remove virtual machines as simple as needed. Either way, you are only paying for the virtual machines that you use, not the extra capacity that the cloud provider has on hand. So let's compare cloud pricing models. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet by using a pay-as-you-go pricing model. You typically pay only for the cloud services you use, which helps you plan and manage your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, scale as your business needs change, and so on. So instead of maintaining CPUs and storage on your data center, you rent them for the time that you need them. The cloud provider takes care of maintaining that underlying infrastructure for you. The cloud enables you to quickly solve your toughest business challenges and bring cutting-edge solutions to your users. To put it to another way, cloud computing is a way to rent compute power and storage from someone else's data center. You can treat cloud resource like you would resources in your own data center. However, unlike in your own data center, when you're done using cloud resources, you give them back. You are billed only for what you use. Thanks for watching.